Welcome to Self-Automative Fire Accident Preventer and Extinguisher project. This is the main control panel. This controls the whole system that will work on both IoT protocol and GSM protocol. Number 1. Gas leak detection. When LPG gas leakage is found, it will be detected by the gas leakage sensors. That will send signal to the main control panel, and it will perform various functions as the LCD display will display the leakage alert message. The alarm system will give sound alert. The LPG gas cylinder regulator, which is automatic motorized valve, will turn off. The flame-proof exhaust fan will turn on automatically. The main power circuit of the house will be cut off automatically. The user will get an SMS of the gas leakage alert message. The user will get mobile calling with automatic voice system. The user will receive email of the gas leakage alert. The mobile app will show the proportion of the gas that has been leaked in the room. The MCB alarm system will give sound alerts near MCB box. The user will receive SMS alert of gas leakage near MCB box. Second, fire detection. If the situation leads to fire accident, flame sensor will sense the fire and will send the signal to the main control panel that will perform various functions. The LCD display will display fire alert message. The alarm system will give sound alert of the fire. The water sprinkler system will turn on automatically and will spray water on the spot. The user will receive an SMS alert of the fire. The user will get mobile calling with automatic voice system of fire alert. The smart fire extinguisher will turn on automatically and will spray the ABC powder by rotating 360 degree. It also has the flame sensors attached to it, which will sense the exact place of fire and will extinguish the fire at the specified spot. The fire station will get an SMS notification of the fire alert with the GPS location of the house. The motion sensor will send a message to the fire station if there's any live threat in the house. Number 3. Automatic cylinder working system. This system will book the refill cylinder automatically if the LPG gas cylinder reaches minimum level of the gas.